So, which are the topics we last discussed? Niranjan?
As key and is key.
Which one? ASCII and ISCII. That is based on that. You select that the common topic, not in the entrance class. We will continue with that common binary topic. Unmute Niranjan.
Truth table.
Yes, yes, correct. Then before that, Pooja, which are the different logical operators? It's not clear, Pooja. Once again, Pooja. It's not clear. Tom. And or not operator. Tom, what is and operator? And is? You are reading from the notebook. It's not allowed. Okay, what is and operator? Once again, Tom.
Multiplication between two sides.
It's not clear. John. John Philip. What is and operator? Your sound is muted. No. Okay. It's not clear, John. G's. What is and operator?
And the operator is binary.
Binary. Then what is the use of that and operator? What is the operation in that and operation?
Multiplication.
Yes, multiplication, correct. Aman, what is or operator?
I was not there in few classes.
Okay, okay. Rahul. What is or operator?
It is a binary operator.
Little more louder.
It is a binary operator.
It's a binary operator. Then
It has 4 input values.
4 input values. Then which operation?
Then adds.
Yes, correct. Addition is the operation. Then Dia, switch on the video. Navneet, switch on the video. Okay, okay. Dia, what is not operator? Dia. Okay, Naurin, what is not operator?
Unary operator.
It's a unary operator. What is the meaning of unary operator?
The incremental.
What, Naurin?
Increment of any variable.
Increment operator is an example for unary operator. What is unary operator?
No, I don't know how to.
Then Reem. What is unary operator? Reem. Jewel. What is
Ma'am,
unary?
minimum one operand is needed.
Okay, that is unary operator. Then what is not, Jewel?
It is the increment of one element, one operand.
Increment of one operand. Not operator. It is not increment. Renil. What is not?
Same thing, please. Increment, right?
Increment. Not operator. Vinayak. What is not operator? Anaga.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what were you asking, ma'am?
Ma'am, unary operator.
Okay. Then we are talking about not operator, isn't it? All of you switch on the video. Anaga, what is not operator?
Ma'am, it's operator used for complementation.
Complementation. It is used for, it's not for incrementation, it is used for complementation. Okay, it will just reverse the input. If 0 is the input, it will just reverse as 1. If 1 is the input, it just reverse as 0. That is not operator. It's a unary operator, means it need only one operand. Okay, that is unary operator. Then okay, then we are discussing truth table. What is truth table? Truth table means a table that include all the possible values of a Boolean variable and the result of that Boolean expression. That is truth table. Okay. What is fallacy? What is tautology? Anyone? What is fallacy?
All possible values are
Okay, correct. Parayu.
0.
0. Okay.
Fallacy.
If all the possible values are, all the outputs are 0, then it is known as fallacy. Then what is tautology?
All the outputs are 1.
All the outputs are 1, then it is known as tautology. That is, we are discussing about truth table. Truth table means a table that include all the possible values of a Boolean variable, Boolean expression and the output related with that expression. That is truth table. In truth table, if the output section is always 1, then it is known as tautology. If the output section is always 0, then it is known as fallacy. Okay. Then next we are going to learn about how we can evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. Okay. Write the heading. Writing a truth table. Writing a truth table. Write the question. A plus B into C. F is equal to A plus B into C. This is the Boolean expression. Which are the Boolean operators here, Vinayak? Which are the Boolean operators used in this expression?
Or operator.
What, Vinayak?
Or operator.
Or operator, that is plus, and operator, it is dot. Correct. Rahul, which are the Boolean variables here? How many Boolean variables are here? 3. Which are they? A, B and C. Then Renil, how we can draw the truth table based on this Boolean expression?
3 digits.
3 inputs are there. Okay. Then draw the truth table like this. First I will write the first variable A, then write the second variable B, then the last variable C. These are the 3 inputs. We can take the inputs from the Boolean expression. Here we are using A, B and C, 3 variables. 3 Boolean variables are here. So we are using truth table. We first write the input variables, that is Boolean variables first. After that, listen here, after that I will first write this A plus B, because A plus B is in parenthesis. So this is the first operation in this Boolean expression. So we will write A plus B. Then what is the next one, next function, next column value? What is the final result? That is A plus B into C. This is the last column. So in this Boolean expression, first I will write the Boolean variables, that is input variable. Here we are using 3 input variables. So I will write A, B and C. After that, check the Boolean expression. In this Boolean expression, 2 operations are there. So we just divide this Boolean expression into 2 sections. That is, A plus B is the first section, and A plus B into C is the second section. It is also the final section. Okay. Is it clear how we can write the column names in a truth table? First write the Boolean variables. Here we are using 3 Boolean variables. So I will write here the Boolean variables are A, B and C. So A, B, C. After that, in this Boolean expression, we can divide this section into 2. First I will write A plus B, because this A plus B is in parenthesis. Any operation within parenthesis will perform first. So I will write A plus B here. Then there is no other operation. After finding A plus B, we have to just multiply that result with C. That is the next operation. Find out the result of A plus B and multiply that result with C. That is the next operation. So write the final statement here. This is the final output. Okay. So A, B, C, then A plus B into C is equal to F. That is the final statement. Then, which are the inputs in ABC? ABC is in this table we are using 3 variables. How many inputs are there, Reem? How many inputs are there in this ABC? How many possible values are there in this truth table? 2 raised to 3, correct. 2 raised to 3 combinations are there. Means 3 is the number of input variables, 2 is it's a binary expression, Boolean expression, so 2 is the base, so 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 8 combinations are there. Then write the combination. How we can write the combination? Input possible values using 3-bit table. Okay, write the 3-bit table here. How we can write 3-bit table? In C column, right, not in A column. Write 0, 1, 0, 1 in C column. Then, what about the second column, Aman?
0, 0, 1.
Correct. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Pooja, what about the last column? 4, 0, 4, 1. Correct. So, here in this expression we are using 3 variables. So 2 raised to 3, 8 input possibilities are there. So write 8 input possibilities. Write 8 input possibility means it's a 3-bit table. For writing 3-bit table, in C column write 0, 1, 0, 1, and in B column write 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, and in A column write 4, 0, 4, 1. Okay. Then find out A plus B. What is A plus B? Take A from here, first row. A plus B, 0 plus 0. What is the result? 0. Then again 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Just like that. Complete it. The next column, it is A plus B. Take the first value of A and first value of B, add that 2 values and write the result here. Which are the values, Alan?
0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 0, 1.
Here it is 1, 0.
0.
1 plus 1 it is 1. What is 1 plus 1?
0.
It is in binary addition. What about the OR operation truth table? You check the OR operation truth table. What is 1 plus 1? Alan?
1.
Correct. So there is a difference in binary addition and OR operator truth table. Okay. In binary addition, we are adding using binary addition. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1. But in the case of OR operator, we cannot write two values, 0 with carry 1, just like that. We cannot write here. So here the value is 1 plus 1, it is 1. We are adding two high value, so the result is also a high value. So 1 plus 1, it is 1. So again next one also 1. So double 0, then 6 ones. Then what is the next column? You just multiply. A plus b into c is the next column. So a plus b is 0. What is c? C, it is 0. 0 into 0. What is 0 into 0? 0. Then 0 into 1, that is again 0. 1 into 0, 0. Write like this. Now I need read the answer.
Ma'am, 0 0 0
Okay.
1 0
Mm.
1 0 1.
Correct. So this is the final answer. So evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. In that type of question, you first write the truth table, and here this is the final answer. The final answer, it is 000. You just draw one truth table, write the input values based on the Boolean expression, write all the intermediate values and also final value. Okay. This is the way how we can evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then write the second question. F is equal to A B complement plus C. A dot B complement plus C. A dot B complement plus C. Aman, how many Boolean variables are there?
Each
Boolean variables.
variable 3.
Three variables are there. Then which are the column headings, Aman?
A, B, C,
A, B, C is the first column, first three columns. Then
then A, B plus C.
first we have to find out B complement. Okay. Then A dot B complement. Then A dot B complement plus C. Okay. For B plus C also, this section also we need this B complement. Okay. If you first you write this, before that you write this B complement. Okay. First write the three input column, that is A, B, C. After that write B column. Then you can do either A dot B complement or B complement plus C in your operation. Okay. It is easy to find A dot B complement first. So first write A, B, C. Then the fourth column it is B complement. After that A dot B complement. After that A dot B complement plus C.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
First A, B, C. After that B complement. We want to perform either A dot B complement or B complement plus C. For these two operations we need B complement. So first find out B complement. After A, B, C, find out B complement. After that A dot B complement, then the final result A dot B complement plus C. It's a 3-bit table input possibilities. Here first we write A, then B, C, then B complement, then A dot B complement, then A dot B complement plus C. These are the column headings: A, B, C, B complement, A, B complement, A, B complement plus C. Renil completed. What Reem? It's not clear, Reem. B complement value you are asking. Just opposite to B. That is, if the value of B is 0, then B complement is 1. If the value of 1 is 0, B complement it is value of B is 1, then B complement it is 0. Just like that. John completed.
No, ma'am.
Vinayak completed. What is the final result?
And 0, 1, 0.
Hmm.
3 ones.
Hmm.
0, 1.
Okay. Alan, read the B complement column.
1 1 0
Yes.
1 1 1 0.
1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Okay. Here B is 0. So B complement is just opposite of 0, that is 1. B is 0, again B complement is 1. Then here B is 1, so B complement is 0. Opposite to 1, reverse of 1 it is 0. Then again 1, the reverse of 1 it is 0. 0 1 0 1, 1 it is 0, 1 it is 0. Then next column you have to find out A into B complement. So take the first value of A and first value of B complement. Multiply 0 into 1. What is 0 into 1? It is 0. The next it is 0 into 1. Again 0. Pooja, read the A dot B complement column. 0 0. 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Then what about the final result? You have to add C. This is the C column. So first take the first value of C, then take the first value of A dot B complement. So 0 plus 0, A dot B complement plus C is the operation. So take A dot B complement, it is 0 plus C. C it is 0, 0 plus 0 it is 0. Then take the second value, it is again 0, but here it is 1, so 0 plus 1 it is 1. Then third value it is 0, here it is 0, 0 plus 0 it is 0. Then 0 plus 1 it is 1, 1 plus 0 it is 1, 1 plus 1 it is, Rahul, what is 1 plus 1? 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 it is 1, then again 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. So this is the final result, it is 0 1 0 triple 1 0 1. Okay, write the next question. First write all these three questions. The first one we already write. Then second one, F is equal to this 4 question. F is equal to F is equal to xy plus xz. F is equal to x plus y into x plus z. F is equal to a plus b into c complement plus a complement c complement. The last one it is a dot a plus b. This is one homework question and this is also homework question. Do these two. First do the first question, f is equal to x plus y into x plus z. 2 homework question, f is equal to xy plus xz, f is equal to a into a plus b. F is equal to x plus y into x plus z. Now Rin, how many boolean variables are there in f is equal to x plus y into x plus z? It's 3. Okay, x, y, z. Diya, which are the column values? Which are the column headings?
X, Y, Z, X plus Y, X plus Z, X plus Y into X plus Z.
Correct. First 3 columns are for input variables, that is x, y, z. Then second one, the first part, that is x plus y. Then next column it is x plus z, and last column is for final result, that is x plus y into x plus z. Do the operations carefully. There is only 0 and 1. If the row values change, then your final result will also change. Okay. So write carefully in correct row. Inputs are in correct row. Otherwise, your final result will change. Naveen, Roshan, what happened Saturday?
I did not have internet. 2 days.
Okay. G is completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alan, read the x plus y column values.
0 0 1
0,
1
0,
1 1
1.
1 1.
All 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pooja, read x plus z. Your mic is not in good condition. Renil, read x plus z.
X plus Z.
X plus z. X
zero,
plus
zero.
z. 0 0
1
1
1
1
full 1 full 1.
or 1. Okay. Anaga, what is the final result?
Ma'am, 000 and then all 1.
000 all 1. Okay, 1 1. Is it correct, Jewel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Then-
next, the
I mean
second
x
one.
plus z.
X plus
No, x plus 0 1 0 1.
here 0 1. X plus y. X plus y
No,
is
X plus
0
Z.
X plus z.
x plus z. That
The
is
second value of
second
X plus
value.
Z.
0 plus 0 it is 0. 0 plus 1 it is 1. Okay, correct. Then 0 plus 0 here it is again 0.
Yeah.
Then 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 all the other values are same. 0 1 0 5 1. Renil corrected.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So take the values carefully. If there is slight change in 0, 1, it will affect your final result. Okay. It's a 2 mark or 1 mark question. So it will lose all the complete mark. Okay. There is no half mark, 1/4 mark for this question. So do the next question. That is the second last one. F is equal to A plus B dot C complement plus A complement C complement. F is equal to A plus B dot C complement plus A complement C complement. F is equal to A plus B C complement plus A complement C complement. So we have to find out A complement C complement. So after ABC, write A complement, then find C complement. After that B C complement, then A complement C complement. Then final result. Okay, I'll write the question. F is equal to A plus B C complement plus A complement C complement is the expression. Then input variables are A, B, C. After that we have to find out B C complement. But in B C complement we need this C complement, and here also we need A complement. So find out A complement. Then find out C complement. After that B C complement, then A complement C complement, then final result. So do it fast. We'll wind up this section here. Next in Studio 11, isn't it? This is in Studio 11.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll continue in Studio 11. Okay.